guys, so summer is about to end and I thought, where should I spend the last sunny summery Saturday here in Tel Aviv? I thought about coming to the Seatara, which is a beautiful place here in city, but not in the center though, so there's a lot of parking for all of us. Blue beach view here to see, and I heard there's a lot of cool things to eat and drink for all of us. So will you join me to see if that's true? Let's check it out. Shrimp eggs Benedict, breakfast, scrambled eggs and salad, and pancakes with ice cream, of course. So we're just done here at the Seatara Tel Aviv. Frankly, I've known this place from before, but I haven't been here for so many years. The place definitely improved for the good. Cool breakfast, fun drinks, very attentive, really nice and fast waitress. Love them really a lot. So definitely recommend coming here. Join me next time to see where I go next.